And the winner of last week's competition is Peter Smith from Manchester. Well done, Peter. You win a trip to Hong Kong.
I don't want to watch this programme anymore.
Wait! There's a new competition this week.
I never win.
Don't turn the TV off.
I can't win.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Are you a good cook?
I can't cook.
I can. It's easy.
Do you want to make a cookery programme?
Nah.
The prize is a trip to Florida for two. Are you interested?
Florida. Yes. The Sunshine State.
What can we do in Florida?
We can go shopping in Miami.
I hate shopping.
Okay. We can take a boat trip through the Everglades.
Yes! I hate boats.
Okay. But you like theme parks?
Theme parks are cool.
There are some great theme parks in Florida. So get the camera. I take a frying pan from the cupboard. I pour some oil into the frying pan. Put the pan on the cooker and heat the oil. Then I get a packet of fish fingers from the freezer. I open the packet like this and put some fish fingers into the pan.
Stop. This is stupid.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
We mustn't argue. We need a proper recipe.
Mum, have we got any recipe books? Write down the ingredients.
Carrots, potatoes, onions, and minced beef.
We can go shopping.
I hate shopping.
We can catch a bus to the supermarket.
I don't want to go to the supermarket.
Or we could buy the food at the market on the London Road. A good cook must have fresh ingredients. I usually go to my local market. You must choose your vegetables carefully. A few carrots, 2 large onions, and some potatoes. I'd like 750 kilos of carrots, please.
What?
No, 750 grams of carrots.
That's £2.40.
That's expensive.
They're organic vegetables.
Organic vegetables.
Thank you.
Where's the meat shop?
You mean the butcher's?
Hey Vicky. Yeah? Do you want to make a film with me? Yeah. I'm a celebrity chef and I need an assistant. Okay. Put the chair by the fridge. Vicky, you stand here. Paul, you stand there.
And action.
Hello, Emily here, and this is my assistant, Vicky.
Hi.
Today we're cooking shepherd's pie. Do you like shepherd's pie, Vicky?
I love your shepherd's pie, Emily.
First, we take the potato and put it in boiling water.
Don't you peel it first?
Vicky, you peel the potatoes. I need to chop the vegetables.
This is boring. TV must be interesting.
I fry the onions in a little oil. We add the meat and the carrots. Then we add salt and pepper and a bottle of Worcester sauce. Then we mash the potatoes. Then we cook the shepherd's pie in the oven. Shepherd's pie. It's easy to cook and it's great to eat.
Emily, look. It isn't a bottle of Worcester sauce, it's a little Worcester sauce.
Emily, what are you doing?
Mom, I'm a celebrity chef.
You must tidy the kitchen.
Hi, Dad. Are you all right?
No. Business is terrible.
I'm sorry.
I'm happy to be home. I'm really hungry. What's for dinner? What's this?
It's shepherd's pie.
Oh, I love
but
shepherd's pie.
wouldn't-
No. Oh, that's disgusting. I need some water.
Then we cook the shepherd's pie in the oven.
That's brilliant.
It's delicious.
It's very good.
Emily, can I check my emails?
Oh, Mum, I must finish the editing so we can win a trip to the USA.
Well, don't be a long time, please.
This time we can win a trip to Florida.
Yes, the Sunshine State. It's cool. Yes!